These 7 weeks leading up into solstice is a great time to generate energy and really plant the energetic seeds towards a goal or a shift that you're trying to make. So, I'm running through a series over the next 7 weeks, working with the chakras or the downward path of the chakras or energy centers in our body from crown to root. That represents birthing, that represents manifesting, or as I like to call it, co-creation, because really we're always in this interplay or interdependence with other forces around us. So we're co-creating with the world, with the universe, however you like to think of it. So for this first week, what you're doing is think about what you want to feel more of in relation to your goal. So if you are really looking to get a new job or a new apartment or make some sort of personal shift in your emotional patterns, what is it you want to feel more of as the result of that? Is it ease? Is it connection? Is it security? Is it joy? Is it more contentment, more relaxation? Don't think in terms of the negative, what you don't want. Think in terms of what you want more of, and think in terms of states, energies, emotions that you want to feel. And then contemplate each of those. Come up with a list of 3 to 5. Contemplate each of those and really try to feel them in the moment and just go with your first thought. What color of light is that? And that light will be symbolic of that energy or emotion or state. And then for a couple minutes each day, just sit when you have a moment, or you could even do it in the shower or when you're doing something else. But ideally, when you have a moment to sit quietly, imagine each of those colors of light floating over your crown chakra. Contemplate the state or emotion or energy one at a time of each, and then imagine that color of light coming into your crown and then coming all the way down and filling your whole body. And do that with each of the 3 to 5. You're really trying to plant these energetic seeds for what you want to work towards manifesting in your life. So do that this week, and next week I'll post about the third eye.